There are moments when everything feels uncertain, when plans fall apart, and you're left wondering, God, what now? But in the middle of the confusion, He whispers, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Jeremiah 29:11. His plans are greater than your disappointments. His purpose is deeper than what you can see. So don't give up. Keep going. God is still writing your story, and it's going to be beautiful.